Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the right tool. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest supported iOS and camera access is allowed. This avoids permission errors. Once done, remove reflections or a thick case that blocks the lens and hold the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches from the barcode so autofocus can lock. Open the camera app in photo mode or pull down Control Center and tap the built-in scanner if you prefer a direct scanner. Then point at the code and wait. You now frame and focus to trigger the scan. Center the barcode so all edges are visible because camera reads shape and contrast. Partial codes may fail. Tap the screen once to lock focus and exposure, then move slightly closer or farther until the yellow or white focus box stabilizes. In dim light, toggle the flashlight. Steady hands help. When camera recognizes the code, a small notification or banner appears. Tap it to open the link, price, or product info. You finish by confirming and handling the scan data. Tap the banner to open the web page, product page, or action and verify it's correct before entering info. If camera won't read the code, clean the lens, add light, and try a slightly tilted angle. Some codes need skew to reveal contrast. If issues persist, restart the camera or try a reputable third-party scanner app. Use third-party only when necessary because built-in camera keeps data handling simpler and more secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.